basically it is completely connected to energy. You will find, try to do this experiment by yourself. When you wake up, when you start your Sukshma Yoga, note down on a piece of paper whatever thoughts you have. Just note it down and note down your energy level at that point of time. Now after the Sukshma Yoga, again note down the thoughts. Again note down the energy level. What do you think should be done maximum way? And after sun salutation, note it down again. And you will find there is a phenomenal difference between the initial thoughts and after sun salutation. So sun salutation is a depictive name. It's just a suggesting name that how our energy is channelized, right? So and that is the reason that when we start our sun salutation, you will find that the first one or second one or up to 5 sun salutation, you may have challenges, but afterwards, when the things are flowing inside our body, the circulation of our blood is well. After that, the complete flow of energy will actually give you a different mood, different levels of your kind of thinking, which changes everything. So you can definitely observe this inside yourself, that these particular changes which are happening